Are you looking for more wrench time, streamlined process, accurate data, increased employee satisfaction? We've got you covered. Presenting 2BM Mobile Work Order, the premier software suite for extending your SAP plant maintenance or customer service system to technicians on the factory floor and beyond. Mobile Work Order connects directly to your SAP system to ensure technicians receive work orders in real time on their mobile devices. Up-to-date information and technical documentation are easily accessed where it is needed, at the job site. Feedback such as time spent and the spare parts used is captured in real time. No more handwritten notes and no more manual entry into SAP. With Mobile Work Order, technicians and operators can capture incidents on the spot for added accuracy and speed. Barcode scanning makes it easy to identify the affected asset. And with photos, drawings, and text-to-speech, the experience is easy and enjoyable. Additionally, with full offline support, Mobile Work Order ensures technicians can work anywhere, even without a connection. Mobile Work Order is built exclusively on SAP mobile technology, certified by SAP and powered by SAP Business Technology Platform for solid performance, and supports all major platforms, such as iOS, Android, Mac OS, and Windows, and all form factors, including smartphones, tablets, and desktop. Not just a mobile app, 2BM Mobile Work Order Suite is also an advanced digital checklist and form solution, a cockpit for supervisors to see status and KPIs for maintenance, IoT integration from your SCADA system to SAP. 2BM Mobile Work Order, built by 2BM Software in Copenhagen, loved by skilled workers everywhere. To learn more, go to 2bmsoftware.com and book a demo meeting now.